Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video, we'll be making this yummy and crispy hush puppies, guys. So hush puppies is really quick, simple and easy to make. Yeah, as you can see, it's looking so yummy. Okay guys, so let's dive into the video. Hi guys, so this is our ingredients for our hush puppies. Yeah, it's gonna be yummy, guys. So I have my egg, my onions, and my baking powder, my milk, all-purpose flour, and that is my cornmeal, yellow cornmeal flour. Okay, so guys, and you have to get your vegetable oil, so because we are going to fry it. Okay guys, let's dive into it. Hi guys, so our yummy and crispy hush puppies is ready. Chai, it's looking so yummy and delicious. Yeah, so guys, so hush puppies, I mean, you can make it a twist with some spicy if you want to, but then if you don't want to, you can just use the same recipe. And also hush puppies comes in any kind of size. It can be round, it can be square, whatever size or shape you want, so long as it's edible, you are good to go. And I will advise to fry in deep fryer. Okay, like it has to be a deep fryer so that like the oil will cover everything. So as you can see, that's why I have the line, because it was not in a deep fry. Yeah, so you want to make it the same like in a deep fryer. Okay, and that really helps. So you want it to be either crunchy or crispy. Yes, you can see it's looking so yummy, crunchy and crispy. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye. Chai, so yummy.